Most people have absolutely no idea that their body has this secret molecule that could be the key to unlocking way more energy and vitality. Well, today, we're revealing the top 10 foods that boost this powerful compound. And you're going to want to stick around because number 1 is so potent, elite athletes are actually using it to gain a serious edge. Okay, let's dive in.
So let me just ask you this. What if one single molecule could fundamentally change how you feel every single day? See, the thing is, our bodies are brilliant, but they start producing less of this key molecule as we get older, especially after age 40. And that's exactly why understanding this stuff is so important.
And that molecule is nitric oxide. Seriously, think of it as your body's youth molecule. In the simplest terms, it basically tells your blood vessels to just relax and open up. It sounds like a simple little action, right? But it has these incredibly powerful consequences for your entire body.
And just look at what those consequences are. Better blood flow means more oxygen gets delivered everywhere, to your muscles, to your brain, to your heart. This translates directly to lower blood pressure, way more stamina during your workouts, faster recovery, sharper thinking, and yep, even better performance in other areas. It is a total game changer.
So, the big question is, how do we get more of it? Well, it turns out it's through our food. So let's get straight into it, the official countdown of the top 10 foods you can eat to naturally supercharge your nitric oxide levels.
Kicking off our list at number 10, we've got spinach and other leafy greens like arugula and kale. I mean, you've heard eat your greens your entire life, right? Well, here is a huge reason why. They are just absolutely packed with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide almost instantly. And here's a little pro tip you can use right away. Just have a simple spinach or arugula salad before you exercise. Trust me, you will absolutely feel the difference in your performance and your muscle pump. It's such a simple, powerful hack.
All right, moving on to number 9. Meet a true nitrate powerhouse, beets. When it comes to nitrate levels in plants, very few things can even compete. This is no secret to athletes. They've been using beet juice for years as a totally natural performance enhancer.
And this number right here, this is what's truly staggering. 16%. Real studies have shown that beet juice can increase your endurance by up to 16%. I mean, that is a massive advantage, whether you're running a marathon or just trying to get through a tough Tuesday workout.
Coming in at number 8, we have citrus fruits. Now, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, they play a different but totally crucial role. The vitamin C they're packed with acts like a bodyguard for your nitric oxide molecules. It protects them from breaking down, which means they can hang around in your bloodstream and do their job for longer. Yep, you are reading that correctly. For all you chocolate lovers out there, number 7 is dark chocolate. The flavonoids, these are powerful natural compounds found in high-quality cocoa, so we're talking 70% or higher, they actually stimulate your arteries to produce more nitric oxide. So a square or two isn't just a treat, it's literally a boost for your circulation. At number 6, we've got garlic. This kitchen staple does way more than just add flavor. There are specific compounds in garlic that essentially flip a switch, activating an enzyme that helps convert those nitrates we've been talking about directly into nitric oxide. The research shows it can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure in just a matter of weeks.
Okay, we're cracking the top 5 with pomegranate. Now this one's a powerhouse because it has this awesome dual action. It doesn't just boost your nitric oxide production, it also contains these potent antioxidants that protect the NO molecules you already have from getting damaged. It's a real 1-2 punch for your vascular health.
At number 4, we have walnuts. The key player here is an amino acid called L-arginine. The best way to think of L-arginine is as the direct raw material, the essential building block that your body uses to create nitric oxide. And guess what? Walnuts are absolutely loaded with it. A simple handful a day is an incredible investment in your circulation.
All right, our number 3 spot goes to avocados. The healthy monounsaturated fats in avocados are fantastic for supporting the health of something called your endothelium. Okay, so the endothelium is the delicate, single-cell thick inner lining of your blood vessels, and that is the factory where nitric oxide is actually made. So a healthy factory means more nitric oxide, simple as that.
Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is high-quality protein, like grass-fed meats and wild salmon. These are super rich in key amino acids, not just L-arginine, but also L-citrulline, which are both vital for NO synthesis. This makes them especially powerful for anyone who's training hard and really looking to optimize their recovery.
And now,
The moment we have all been waiting for, the #1 nitric oxide boosting food. Remember, this is the one that elite athletes and researchers are using to really push the limits of human performance.
It's watermelon. So why watermelon of all things? Well, it all comes down to its really unique mechanism. See, watermelon is packed with an amino acid called L-citrulline. Your body is incredibly efficient at converting this L-citrulline into L-arginine, which, as we know, then becomes nitric oxide. It's just a highly effective pathway for boosting NO, and it's been clinically proven to enhance blood flow and endurance.
Okay, so now you know the foods, but how can you get the absolute most bang for your buck? Let's quickly go over a few super simple hacks to amplify their effects and really maximize your nitric oxide boost.
First off, try to eat these foods raw or just lightly cooked. High heat can actually break down those delicate nitrate compounds. Second, combine them with vitamin C sources, just like we saw with the citrus fruits, to protect the NO. And third, and this is a surprising one, avoid using antiseptic mouthwash right after you eat a nitrate-rich meal. I know, it sounds weird, but that mouthwash kills the beneficial bacteria on your tongue that are essential for the very first step of converting nitrates into nitric oxide. You're basically shutting down the assembly line before it even starts.
Now, it is so crucial to remember that food is just one piece of the puzzle, right? You can't just supplement your way out of an unhealthy lifestyle. Let's take a quick look at how your daily habits connect to this whole picture.
This slide just lays it out so perfectly. A sedentary lifestyle depletes your NO levels, while regular movement, we're not even talking intense workouts, just a brisk walk, signals your body to produce more. High-heat cooking destroys nitrates, raw foods preserve them. Poor sleep and stress, they work against you, but deep breathing and quality rest are natural boosters. The bottom line is, nitric oxide loves movement, clean food, and oxygen.
All right, let's bring it all together with a super quick recap and a clear action plan so you can start putting this powerful knowledge to work for you, like today.
So if you remember anything from this, remember these 3 powerhouses. Remember watermelon for its potent L-citrulline pathway. Get your beets in for that super high concentration of nitrates. And make spinach and other leafy greens a daily staple for a consistent intake. Just these 3 alone will make a massive difference.
We've covered the what and the why. But you know, the most important part is the doing. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Looking at this list, which one of these powerful vitality-boosting foods are you going to add to your plate starting today?